Welcome to all in SST College Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edopedia. TYCS SEM 6 Cloud Computing is a subject and topic name is Cloud Computing Management. My name is Vandana Soni. Today I am going to explain the Cloud Computing Management. First, start with the terms of management. Management is provided to facilitate all the management certain analysis system. So, what we have to do? First, we have to start. It is the responsibility of cloud provider to manage resources and their performance. It means whenever we try to representative of the cloud computing, we should manage a provider to manage the resources and their performance also. Second thing, management may include several aspects of the cloud related to computing such as the load balancing, performance, storage, backup, capacities and deployment services. These services to managing means what? Load balancing is manage the load system to recognitions transferring the data system as source to destinations, and the performance platform is represent the what kind of the data released in a system, and the storage and backup capacity is more important. Why? Because the whenever is the data is the suddenly lost, we can manage for a package recovery system. Now, capacity is performed to size recognitions. What kind of the data we can store in a particular panel? The panel is recognized. The system is to manipulate of the system. We can store, we can edit, we can retrieve of the system. And the deployment process is the most important. Whenever we try to fetch a system in the different type of the contents related in a computer cloud computing, so it will be manageable. Next thing, we have to manage in the required to access a full functionality of the resources in the cloud. It means every functions is related should in a cloud resources aspects. It means the whenever we try to manage as the certain requirement, what kind of the requirement we need, such kind of the data updations, data reload, data is suddenly fetch in your system. We can recognize a lots of technique for maintaining this kind of the data. Next, we have to see a cloud management task. The cloud management task is a representative system. In this system, we have to accept the challenges, undercome some the happening situations. It means start with the audit system backups, system data flow, behavior of the vendor logged in, knowing provider as a security procedure, monitoring capacity, planning scalability capacities, monitoring audit log uses, and the solution testing and the validations. We can see the lots of activity done under the cloud management task. First, we have to manage each and every terms in a different panel. So let us start with the audit system and the backup system. In this case, we have to use a backing of a files of the companies from a one side computers to the disk and reside within a cloud system. Means what? Whenever we are collecting the information and the such kind of the resources, which kind of the resources we can manage, suddenly the system is recognized the lots of data undercome in a different company. So we have to manage a different kind of the information in the single resources. Backing up of files by a cloud provider system, the provider must be a situations handling and happening in circumstances in the undercomes in the cloud computing background. Second term, the system's data flow. The system's data flow is the managers should develop a diagram, descriptions, details, process of the flow. This is a very wonderful deny services in a management system, because whenever we try to making any planning, first we have to do making some a path. Yes, right. data flow is a strategies we have to use is a making a sum a path. It means whenever we try to a fetching of the data and the maintaining, so we can just providing a facility whenever, when can I the start, when the next step we can do, when the similar process undercomes, while we are can manage the particular situations. These such kind of the information we can take and elaborate and maintain in the risk assessment system. Just I am taking a one example. If we are going to somewhere, so just we have to search in the Google map and we have to see some destination path. This path is nothing but our flow chart. That is such a wonderful example is related to a flowchart process. This process flow with the describe the movement of companies and the data throughout the cloud situations. We can managing a lots of companies data in the single platform. But the thing is that in the situations we can handle related, a cloud is one of the best solution. Next, we have to learn about be aware of the vendor logged in. It means the what is the meaning of the vendor? Vendor is the those person who are taking our the facilities. We are the just provider, and one vendor is the such kind of the guest. So we can delivering the service and the different panel. So what can I have to do? The manager must know the procedure to access from a services of the particular cloud provider. It means whenever we try to managing our the data in the different panel, so are the vendor we can tell the requirement, we can just justify the requirement and the manage are the fields. Next, there must a existing procedure enabling the managers to export companies the data to a files and the importing in the another provider. Such kind of the information we can deliver with the different provider is just to use the facility, giving the some feedback, such kind of information they can again with the join with the same companies. So these kind of the situations we can the logged is represent the your quality. The quality is should be a maintain in your hand. Okay, so now we can justify the provider is should the take the information and delivering some the data we can use and access your facility. So such kind of the synchronization and the making this kind of the situation by a logging process. Next, we have to something try to managing our the data. The purpose is called as a security. Yes, the knowing providers a security procedure. We can provide lots of facility in the someone and the person is take all these resources, but the security is the main reliable part because we are the trusting for someone. So the reliable is maintaining or the data is such kind of the information. The manager should know the security plans of the provider for a different services. The first multi-talented use it. We can say the multi-talented person, we can things we can generate such kind of the general introduction and information release in the particular panel. E-commerce processing, we are using a lots of technique related to some transactions, some credit debit card information is undercomes. And employee screening, it means the whenever we task to a given in a particular person, it should be implemented in a particular time duration. So whenever we try to given some task and whatever work, it should be a such kind of the information generated, and the starting and ending point is also in a employee screening terms. And encryption policies is one of the most and best policy. Why? Because of the some strategies undercome in a encryption policies. We are giving the lots of details in the particular cloud system, so it should be secured. The security is the one of the most important strategies in the management. Why? Because of the when the security is the needed, when the security is the required, the person is the person is suddenly come and use your application and whatever you delivering in the cloud. So the resources is behalf of managing your security person also, security reason, security reality also. Okay, now next we have to see a monitoring capacity planning and scaling capacity. It means what? The representation of the all kind of the data such is related to a cloud resources. So the manager should know the capacity planning in the order to ensure whether the cloud provide will meet the feature capacity. Suddenly this company is just started, just kind of to source is the small, but the suddenly the source is increases. What can I have to do in the particular situation? So the capacity is the most important. Why? Because of the lots of data is the increase, lots of people generation information is the release. So where can we are they stored? So capacity is the main aspects to managing a resource. And a requirement for the his business or not, just such kind of the businesses start in the one company and the resources is very less, so there is no use of the cloud computing. It is also required to manage a scaling capacity or the order to ensure the service can the scale up the down and per year user needed. It means we are just giving we are just means the provider facility such kind of such a months or such a durations, but in that duration some under data is not fulfill the actual task. So we can increase our the means the duration. We can also take some other subscriptions, other pay charges, whatever incomes are scaling capacities are related to a month, year and duration of the particular resources. Next we have to see the monitoring auditing log uses. It means the such kind of the information generate in the order of the identify the error in the system. Manager must audit log at the regular basis. We are want to such kind of the data means the error free data. So error free data when we can get some recognition of the information. What kind of the information we can get? Such related to a resource person, they are send at the information and the someone can tag the information. So we are try to use that such kind of the data, error free data. So it is a very wonderful monitoring audit system log is uses, and management provide a facility in the cloud for a different panel. So it is the one of the most important technique we have to use for a manipulation of the data. Manage are the all the system related to a managing in a planning resources. Okay, thank you.